Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your rear turn signal bulb. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself. Before we begin, make sure you have a few key items ready. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a new replacement bulb, and potentially a trim removal tool, depending on your vehicle's design. Having these tools on hand will make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get started by accessing the bulb. First, open your vehicle's tailgate to gain clear access to the rear tail light assembly. Next, you will typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws holding the tail light in place. Carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force, revealing the wiring and bulb sockets. With the tail light assembly detached, it is time to swap out the faulty bulb. Locate the specific socket for the turn signal bulb. It is usually distinct. Gently twist the bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Once unlocked, pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Then, simply push the new replacement bulb firmly into the socket until it is seated correctly. This step is quick and easy. Finally, let's put everything back together and ensure it works. First, insert the bulb socket back into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Lastly, turn on your vehicle and test the new turn signal bulb to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.